that you're using your phone in a non-hands-free capacity.
So are you telling me that I was not using my headset? That you saw me using my phone?
I never said that.
Then what did you see?
That you were using your phone in a non-hands-free capacity.
How exactly what is a non-hands-free capacity? So you can't touch your phone in any way, shape, or form while you're driving, even if you have a headset on. Is that what you're saying?
The video begins with a man already recording from inside his car's voice tense, as he explains that he's been followed for nearly 30 minutes by the same vehicle every turn, and slowdown, carefully mirrored, making the situation feel deliberate rather than random fear, leads him to pull into a busy parking lot, but instead of passing by vehicle waits nearby confirming his suspicion, so he documents everything and tests it by driving off in the opposite direction only to see the vehicle immediately fall back in line behind him, and moments later police lights come on revealing it was law enforcement all along. When he calmly asks why he's been stopped, answers never come orders. Tension escalates fast, and as he asserts his rights and questions the stop the officer's behavior spirals, turning a simple question into a confrontation that shows exactly why recording police encounters matters, because without the camera this story would never be heard.
That you're using your phone in a non-hands-free capacity.
So are you telling me that I was not using my headset? That you saw me using my phone?
I never said that.
Then what did you see?
That you were using your phone in a non-hands-free capacity.
How exactly what is a non-hands-free capacity?
It can't be in your hands while you're operating your motor vehicle.
I hit the button to turn it off.
Okay.
So you're saying that's a violation?
Yes, if it's in your hands while you're operating your motor vehicle.
So you can't touch your phone in any way, shape, or form while you're driving, even if you have a headset on. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying in particular in this violation.
So only in this particular incident can I not touch my phone in any way, shape, or form?
No. What I'm saying is I observe the violation.
What exactly is the violation?
That you use your phone in a non-hands-free
So
capacity.
please explain to me what is
That's okay.
No, I want to know. You're giving me a ticket for this, so explain to me what the violation is. Because what you just said is that I can't touch my phone in any way, shape, or form while I'm driving. Is that true? Is that a law?
Yeah. I need you to send the citation.
I'm not signing it.
Okay, that's fine. I'm still going to explain it to you. Okay. Your signature right here isn't admitting guilt. It's your promise that you're going to contact the court at a later time within 60 days. I'm going to send you a courtesy notice to your address. However, it's only a courtesy. If it doesn't come in the mail, if it gets lost, you still have an obligation to either contact the court in person or at the phone number at the bottom within the 60 days.
Okay, you still haven't explained to me what the violation is.
Let me finish. This is important. You admitting to signing the citation isn't admitting guilt. It's just saying you're going to contact the court at a later date within that 60 days. If you choose not to, then you're telling me that you want to see a magistrate as soon as possible. In the state of California, unfortunately, that means that I have to take you into custody, and the soonest time that you'd see the magistrate is tomorrow.
So you're going to arrest me for talking on the phone with my headset on, but touching my phone.
No.
If I don't sign
not to sign the citation.
If I don't sign the citation, then I'll be arrested.
I have no other option.
Okay, so I'll sign it.
The encounter quickly spirals as the man repeatedly asks for a lawful reason for the stop, and is met with interruptions instead of answers, accused of suspicious behavior simply for turning into driveways and parking lots, something he insists is completely legalese. He explains that those turns were driven by fear of being followed. Officers escalate the situation, bringing out a K9 issuing commands and dismissing his questions, while his frustration grows into open anger over what he believes is racial profiling. Requests for names and badge numbers are resisted, explanations are delayed or cut off, and calm communication collapses into threats of handcuffs and jail, turning a routine traffic stop into a chaotic standoff that exposes how quickly authority replaces accountability when a citizen refuses to stay silent.
And you tell me again exactly what my violation is. What did you see me do?
Hang on. Your vehicle code violation is 23123 subsection A.
I can read that. I want to know what exactly you saw me doing.
And I've repeated that multiple times.
No, you just said I was in a violation, but you're not explaining what
Correct.
the violation is.
Yeah.
What's the violation?
If you want to contest it in court, you have that option to contest it.
I want to know. I want you to tell me what it is you saw me doing. What did you see me do?
You're operating your phone
In what
a
form?
non-hands-free
So what?
capacity.
Okay, what is the non-hands-free capacity that you saw?
That's it. It was just a non-hands-free capacity.
Okay, but now I asked you, is it a non-hands-free capacity if I touch my phone in any way, shape, or form?
No, that's an open-ended question. Of course, you could touch your phone in all sorts
So
of
that's
different
what
ways.
I did. I touched my phone. It is very clear I had the headset on. So I was not talking on my phone in a non-hands-free way. I simply touched my phone to turn it off and set it down after I turned it off.
Okay.
Now, are you telling me that that is in violation?
I'm telling you that what I observed was a violation.
Is that what you observed? Me touching the phone to turn it off?
No, I can't say that you were touching your phone for whatever reason. I'm not you.
Did you see my headset in?
I need your signature right here, man.
Did you see my headset in?
No, I need your signature.
Did you see my...
Park where you're not meant to be.
I'm just filming so there's transparency from...
Okay, wind your window down.
No, I'm not gonna put my keys in my ignition.
What's that, sorry?
I'm not gonna wind my window down.
Have you been drinking, have you, mate?
No, I haven't been drinking.
Well, you're going to have to move your car because you parked in a place that you're not allowed to park. And you're making a mess here.
I'm making a mess here.
Yeah, mate, you got your noodles and stuff on both sides of the car.
Someone...
The encounter fully unravels as commands replace conversation and disrespect replaces restraint, with officers repeatedly telling the man to be silent while he insists on his right to question a stop he believes has no lawful basis. Accusations of racial profiling intensify as he points out that turning into driveways and parking lots is not a crime, yet those very actions are labeled suspicious, justifying search as physical. Handling and escalating force requests for professionalism and accountability are met with hostility. Hands are put on him despite his compliance, and every attempt to de-escalate is ignored, turning fear into anger and anger into survival mode. B. The end. No ticket is issued, no crime is named, and he's told to leave, leaving behind a clear lesson captured on camera. When authority abandons explanation and respect, recording becomes the only shield a citizen has.
Noodles.
Pardon?
Not my noodles.
Well, they are. They're in front of your wheel and there's some on the other side too.
Alright, that'll hold up and... So, what do you want me to do?
I want you to move your vehicle because you're parked illegally. Can you do that or not?
I know.
Pardon?
Huh?
Are you alright?
Are you alright?
Why are you getting cheeky? I'm asking you if you're alright.
I have to talk to you. I'm moving my car, it's fine.
Well, you want to pick up your left-handed noodles because you'll just run over the top of them.
I don't know what noodles you're talking
Noodles
about.
here, noodles on the other side.
Oh, this. Otherwise, there's nothing like...
Hey, pick up your rubbish and then move your vehicle.
Pick up my rubber.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Grabbing my key. What are you doing grabbing my key, mate?
Grab me. What are
You filming? Are you filming this?
Sorry.
You just slapped me in the face.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
Grabbing me, squeezing my arm.
What are you talking about? You just reached into my car and then smacked me in the head. It's fine, I'll take this to court. It's fine, I'll take this to court, mate.
Have you been drinking?
No, I haven't been drinking. I've been sitting here.
Well, why are you acting like you have been?
I just woke up. You just woke me up. You just woke me up and then you just smacked me in the face. It's fine. I'm already in court.
You grabbed my arm.
No, I didn't. I'm already in court with you guys. You tried to reach in my car and grab my key.
Yeah, because I think you've been drinking, so I'm going to...
Because you think I've been drinking?
Yeah, 100%.
100%. Mate, you're going to lose your job. Fucking tyrant. You know, mate.
You grabbed my arm.
Grab your arm? What are you talking about? You're already backpedaling because you know you can't slap me in the face for no reason.
Under your door.
Under your door? For what? Why are you reaching into my car?
Because we're going to do a breath
Why are you reaching into my
test,
car?
mate. Give me your keys.
Why?
Give me your keys.
So you're taking my keys for no reason?
No, I want you to turn your alarm off. There you go.
Why'd you touch my door?
My name's Senior Constable Scott, Corn Beach Police.
What is this
Have
on?
you been drinking?
Has this been on? Is your body camera on?
See that little record thing there?
Oh, I see. It's been on.
Have you been drinking tonight?
I'll ask for this in court.
Have you been drinking tonight?
No, I haven't been drinking tonight. What's your probable cause for me drinking?
The second encounter begins just as tense, with one officer openly admitting he's a rookie, while the lead officer immediately announces that a vehicle on the man's property is being towed, offering a flawed explanation that sparks everything that follows. The man calmly points out that a vehicle being on his property does not automatically mean he owns it, suggesting it could be in the process of being sold, and that's simple legal distinction is what triggers threats of jail and accusations of disturbing the peace. As the exchange escalates, free speech is treated like a crime. Questions are met with arrogance and vague authority replaces clear law, revealing the same pattern seen before. Officers relying on intimidation instead of explanation together. Both incidents expose a troubling truth about unlawful stops, shaky legal reasoning, and why knowing your rights and recording matters more than ever.
Because your indicia tells me that you may have been drinking.
My what? Can you just
or
find that word?
Or you're under the influence of something.
Of what? Because I came here and I was sleeping.
No, you actually...
And what are you talking about? This isn't a traffic stop. I'm sitting in my car. The car is not on.
Yeah, but you're in charge.
I'm in charge?
Yep.
What's that mean?
You're in control of the vehicle. You're in the driver's seat with your seatbelt on, keys in the vehicle.
I just put it on before because you asked me to move it. I just put it on because you asked me to move it, which is on your body camera as well.
Have you been drinking, pal?
Pal, I haven't been drinking, pal, but you're pal. You idiot. You slapped me in the face.
Yeah, because you grabbed my arm and pulled it over the window.
Yeah, sure, mate. Sure. You reach into my car and I grab your arm and pull it in the car.
Yeah, to stop you from driving off, because I believe you've been drinking.
Driving off?
Yeah.
Oh, you're lying and lies. You grabbed my arm and slapped me across the face. Hit me with a closed fist. Because I'm in charge.
The seatbelt's on, keys need.
As I said, you made me put my seatbelt on before.
Yeah?
You said to move my car.
I've got to stop you from moving. You've grabbed my arm. Alright?
Oh, is that what you're going with? That'll really hold up in court, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, good one.
All right.
DPP people are going to be, oh, what are they? They're up again.
Fantastic, mate.
Yeah, fantastic. You're an idiot. Absolute idiot. So, are you going to detain me if I don't submit to your breathalyzer and give you a sample of alcohol? Yeah, that's my question. So, you're going to arrest me if not?
Yes, mate. Yeah.
Alright, then I'll do it. That's fine.
Okay, mate. Require a specimen of your breath for a breath test, okay? To comply with my requirement, direct you to place your mouth over the mouthpiece of the device. That's that end there. Alright? Play directly and continuously through that device until told to stop by me. Do you understand?
I don't understand.
Do you need me to explain it again?
I know what you're talking about, but I don't understand on anything, mate.
Okay.
Your authorities. So why are you shaking? You know?
Commence.
You know?
Keep blowing. Harder.
Is that not enough?
It was just long enough. Yeah, it was.
Just long enough. I don't drink. I don't do anything.
Okay. Well, that's fine.
Why are you shaking, mate? You know, you f***ed up. It's alright.
No,
it's alright. I forgive you. It's fine.
Alright, mate. Pick up your rubbish. Move your car. Open the car park if you want to sleep here. Not at the end here.
Well,
Do you not see the yellow lines with the yellow marking on the ground? You see the yellow markings on the ground?
No, I didn't notice it, to be honest.
Yeah, because people come up here and they can't turn around, then they got to back down there, and it ends up in an accident.
No, well, I would hate anybody to have an accident.
Yeah,
That's right.
well, that's fine. That's all you had to do the first time.
Here you go.
That's not mine.
It is. Okay, it's from the other side. That's yours.
I can put
Grab
it in
it.
the bin, that's fine, but
Here you go. It's yours.
just I'll put it in the bin. Just put it all, yeah, and I'll jump out and put it in the bin.
Alright, cool. There's the bin. Here's one. Excellent.